Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a DoorDash gift card. All right. First up, if you have received a gift card or if you bought one, you're going to want to go to your profile right here at the top right, tap on it. Now, go ahead and locate payment methods, or you can go ahead and scroll down and tap on gift cards. Tap on it. Now, in here, as you can see, we have the button redeem at the very top. Just tap on it and put your gift card number in here or gift card pin. Now, once that's done, you're going to tap on back. All right. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and go to payment methods. Now, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you'll be able to see your DoorDash gift card balance right here, as it will be converted as DoorDash credits. All right. And it says here, your USD credit will automatically be applied to your next order, and it can only be applied in the United States. In here, as you can see, you also have the option to redeem your gift card. Put the card number in here and hit on redeem. Now, the moment you make an order, for example, right here, view the cart and hit on continue, you should be able to select your DoorDash gift card as a payment method right here. All right. Now, once the balance on your gift card runs out, it will just automatically swap to the default payment method that you have set up. For example, I have mine right here set up to Google Pay. So this one's going to be used for my future orders. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.